Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. Today we're going to do a review on a light that we requested. Seems like everybody now is putting up greenhouses, and we're no exception. We have a greenhouse, and going into the winter months we were looking into different types of grow lights, so we asked this company, Sansi, that a company we've worked with before, if they have grow lights, and they did. They told us that they did, and we requested 2 of them because we have 2 lights in our greenhouse, and we requested 2 of these grow lights to go in there to see how they actually work. So I want to show you what they look like. Now this is the packaging that they come in. They come in just a cardboard box like this. This is a 40-watt LED grow light. It's called a daylight. It has all these little bulbs on the end of it here. It's a big kind of ceramic type light. A nice looking light. We're going to take this out to the greenhouse. We have 2 of them here. We're going to take them out to the greenhouse and actually install them to see how well they work. Now this is a 40-watt LED grow light bulb from Sansi. But it supposedly is a full spectrum light that gives all the things that the daylight needs, kind of like daylight, I guess you might say, that the plants need in order to be able to grow efficiently. So we're going to head out to the greenhouse and we're going to install these things and turn them on, and we're going to show you the difference between one of these and a regular light that we have in it, and see if we can see any kind of differences in it. So let's head out to the greenhouse and install this and see what it looks like. Okay guys, we got one of our light bulbs here growing. You see how bright it is. Now what we're fixing to do is get up there and change it and put the new Sansi in to see how bright it is. See how the grow light affects the inside of the greenhouse here. So up we go to check it out. Is the Sansi Grow Light, and notice the difference. It is a whole lot brighter. I mean, the room is just a lot brighter. Now we're going to turn around and put the other one in, and we'll probably be a lot brighter in here than what we are now. So I'm fixing to get that one done. Ooh, it's a lot brighter. I mean, way brighter. Man, it makes it look like a whole different room. If I'm gonna see if I can back off and show you the whole greenhouse to kind of give you an idea about the brightness of it now. Okay guys, it's brightened it up tremendously. I mean, it is, oh, it's almost tough on your eyes. I'm gonna back it out a little bit. Now when I do, it's gonna go darker because that's what the camera does, but I'm going to try to back it out a little bit, and you'll be able to watch as I back it out. The greenhouse is just a whole lot brighter. You can look at the walls over here on this side and that side over there. It's really bright. Now we do have the one heat lamp hanging in the middle, and I may actually go back and put I don't think I really need a 3rd light in here, because these 2 lights, if I come down, everything down below is lit up very well, and you can see it's still, here it is, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been raining all day. It's still 80, looks like about 85 degrees in here in the greenhouse. But guys, these are the 2 LED 40-watt Sansi Grow Lights that I called about and I wanted for the greenhouse. I highly recommend them as far as their brightness. We're going to see in the days to come if they actually make my plants grow any better. We have some small tomatoes and some small peppers over here that we planted a few days ago, and the yellow pear tomatoes have come up in just a couple of, like about 4 days they've come up. So we're really excited about them, and we've been using a little small, on this little shelf right over here, we've been using a little strip light, LED grow lights right there to work with them with. Now we're going to leave these two up here, this one and this one on, to see kind of how that affects them, see if it helps them to grow any better. As I'm in between rainstorms here, so you can see the little yellow pear tomatoes we have. They're doing good. We're going to let the grow lights grow on them and see how they produce and grow. The other ones haven't come up yet on either side. Only the yellow pears have come up, so we're anxious to see what the grow lights do for them. Okay guys, between the shade cloth that we got on the greenhouse, the insulation we've put in the ceilings, the additional Sansi Grow Lights that we've installed, we've experimented with a couple of containers over there with some little pepper seeds and some tomato seeds, and it looks like everything is doing fine. We installed a fan in the window in the back also to help pull some of the heat out of here, which we haven't even turned on really. We installed the rubber matting on the floors, and our temperature during the day now is running about 87 to 90 degrees. It's 3 o'clock in the evening now, which usually by this time of the afternoon we're at 120 plus in here. So we realize that what we've done, the changes we've made, looks like they're going to work, and the Sansi Grow Lights seem like they're doing extremely well. I do recommend them at this point. I think they're going to be a great addition to our greenhouse here. So if you're interested in the Sansi Grow Lights, then they'll be in the description down below. And I think that we made a wise decision in choosing those. So thank y'all from Deep South Homestead.